You know what I want to talk about? I know there's other people out there. Bay leaves. Bay leaves. Bay leaves. Why are they in every single recipe? But you know what? I want to know the truth. Do they add flavor to whatever you're cooking in? Now, we're not talking about nutritional value here. I want to know, do they add flavor to whatever I'm making? Because my whole career I put bay leaves in everything, but I always had that question. Does it actually matter? So I'm in California. We have the luxury of having fresh bay leaves readily available, but I also bought some dry because I want to see if there's a difference. And all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit of water, 170 degrees, 175 degrees, not boiling, just under boiling, and I wanna steep it, and I'm gonna taste it every 5 minutes to see if it brings anything to the party. Hey, you know what's funny? Right off the bat, the dry bay leaves smell much more fragrant than the fresh. But I feel like, I don't know, we're gonna test it out, but I got some water. I'm just gonna bruise these leaves a little bit so that way they release more. Man, these smell fragrant. So let's get into it. Okay. Okay guys, the wait is over. Listen, I'm gonna be honest, I am super surprised at how the fresh bay leaf tastes. Now, dried bay leaves, I'm not gonna lie, this tastes like dirty socks, straight up. Now, the thing is I don't know when it was harvested, I don't know how long it's been in the jar, but I can tell you one thing, this is nasty. It's no good. Very good, nice and floral, and honestly, I think the water was a little bit too hot, but it was like as soon as I opened the deli, the aroma that came from this was amazing. And then listen, anytime I'm tasting something, I always have plain water, same temperature, right by. So I think it's really important when you're really deep diving tasting something to always have a clean palate, fresh spoons. We do this in a restaurant, especially Michelin star restaurants. We taste, compare. Now, so what do I think? I think yes, it does add something to the party. Very fragrant, and the floral notes on this are amazing. It's almost like, I hate to say it, but like Christmassy. I don't know if that's a good way to put it. Like when I taste this, I taste the holidays. But anyway, so yeah. I think fresh bay leaves are. I think dry bay leaves, you might as well throw them in the garbage. All right, thanks, bye.